How to save items to Nike favorites on Nike.com. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide to do so on Nike using Nike.com. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can directly head over to Nike.com and log in into our account if we're not logged in, and log in into your account. You usually need to be signed in for your favorites to save to your profile. After that, you can search for a product, shoes, clothing, etc. You can search or browse for it. Let's head over to women's section and go ahead and browse it here. For example, this is women's section. Let's go over and look out for some shoes. For example, this shoe right here. So open up the product page of what product you would like to, add to your favorites. And once you find the product page, we just need to look out for this option called favorite. So go ahead and find this option called favorite and go ahead and heart it out like this. And once you heart it out, it will ask, would you like to continue as your following account? You can click on continue. After that, head over to the next page. And there we go. Now it has been added to favorite. You can just go over and follow that process. And in order to view it from this page, you can look out for this heart option. Usually in the top right corner, you can find it up. You can basically go ahead and tap on it in order to view all of your favorite items in your Nike browser. So you can just go and view it here. And that way the item will be automatically also saved to your favorite list. You just need to follow this step and then you can go ahead and save it and view it on your Nike.com. So that's it, everybody. You may follow this method. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.